To make this beautiful DIY mandir, I am taking the empty grape box, which is very sturdy and has a very beautiful shape. So I am using it as a base of mandir. On top of it, I attached the butter box this way. Now I have taken the thick paper and cut it this way to give a mandir shape. And now crush some foil and flatten it and cover the top with it. Now I am covering the inside and outside of the mandir with a silver paper. And on the top I attached the shape I made. And the last thing is to make some poles. So I am using the magazine paper, and with the help of pencil I rolled it, loosen it and take out the pencil and stick it with the tape. The same way I made two. And for the top I have taken the circle and making it in a cone shape like this. Then cover all these with the silver foil. And now the last thing is to attach this cone on the top of the pole and then the pole to the mandir. And our beautiful DIY mandir is ready. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe easy. Thank you.